Intro. Hi there, and welcome to our beginner's guide on how to use Chatgpt for YouTube SEO. In this video, we'll be walking you through the basics of using Chatgpt for YouTube optimization, and how to optimize your YouTube videos for search engines. Whether you're just starting out on YouTube or you're looking to improve your existing videos, this guide for using Chatgpt for YouTube SEO is for you. Section 1. Understanding YouTube SEO. Before we dive into how to use Chatgpt for YouTube SEO, let's take a moment to understand what YouTube SEO is and why it's important. YouTube SEO is the process of optimizing your videos so that they rank higher in YouTube search results. This can help you reach a larger audience, get more views, and ultimately grow your channel. There are several factors that can impact your video's ranking in YouTube search results, including the title, description, tags, and keywords. Section 2. Using Chatgpt for YouTube SEO. Now that we have a basic understanding of YouTube SEO, let's talk about how to use Chatgpt for YouTube optimization. Chatgpt is an advanced language model developed by OpenAI, and it can be used to generate optimized titles, descriptions, tags, and keywords for your YouTube videos. To get started with Chatgpt for YouTube SEO, you'll first need to install the OpenAI API and create an API key. Once you have your API key, you can start using Chatgpt to generate optimized content for your videos. Simply provide Chatgpt with some information about your video, including the topic, target audience, and any keywords you want to include, and it will generate a list of optimized titles, descriptions, tags, and keywords for you to use. Section 3. Best practices for YouTube SEO. Now that you know how to use Chatgpt for YouTube optimization, let's go over some best practices for YouTube SEO with Chatgpt. Make sure your title is clear and descriptive. Use keywords that accurately describe the content of your video, and make sure your title is eye-catching and memorable. Write a compelling description that includes your keywords, and be sure to include a call to action that encourages viewers to like, comment, and subscribe to your channel. Use relevant tags and keywords to help YouTube understand what your video is about. Make sure your tags are relevant to the content of your video, and consider using long-tail keywords to help your video rank for specific search terms. Promote your videos on social media and other platforms to help drive traffic to your YouTube channel. Section 4. Common challenges with YouTube SEO. While using Chatgpt for YouTube SEO can be a powerful tool, there are still some challenges you may face along the way. Here are some common challenges and how to overcome them. Keeping up with algorithm changes. YouTube's algorithm is constantly changing, and it can be difficult to keep up with the latest best practices for SEO. To stay ahead of the game, make sure you're regularly updating your video optimization strategies and paying attention to any updates from YouTube. Competition. There's a lot of competition on YouTube, and it can be challenging to get your videos to rank higher in the search results. To overcome this, make sure you're creating high-quality, engaging content that sets your channel apart from others. Balancing optimization with creativity. While it's important to optimize your videos for search engines, it's also important to maintain your creative vision and not sacrifice the quality of your content for the sake of optimization. Find a balance between optimizing your videos and creating content that your viewers will love. Section 5. Monitoring your results. Finally, it's important to monitor your results to see how well your videos are performing and to make any necessary adjustments to your YouTube SEO strategy. To do this, you can use YouTube Analytics to track your views, engagement, and other metrics. By regularly monitoring your results, you can refine your strategy and make any necessary changes to improve your YouTube SEO and reach a larger audience on the platform. In conclusion, using Chatgpt for YouTube SEO is a valuable tool for optimizing your videos and growing your channel on the platform. By following best practices, overcoming common challenges, and monitoring your results, you can take your YouTube channel to the next level with the help of Chatgpt. So whether you're just starting out on YouTube or you're looking to improve your existing videos, this guide for using Chatgpt for YouTube optimization has provided you with the information you need to get started with using Chatgpt for YouTube SEO. If you want to see our #1 way of creating online passive income, make sure you click the link below this video. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe and click the bell notification for more helpful videos on YouTube SEO with Chatgpt and other related topics.